Hello friends, I am Balaji and this is part 7 of our gmap.net tutorial. In this session we are going to see how to add polygon on your map. But previously on our session 2 we have seen how to add a marker on our map to locate a particular latitude and longitude. But why we actually want to add a polygon? Because sometimes you need to delimit an area on your map. For example, you need to indicate where new construction will take place, where is your land. So at that time, marker is not enough to locate a portion of your land. So you want to add a polygon to locate your land. In order to add a polygon, I will create a new button. So go to my toolbox, search for a button, drag and drop button. I will change its name to btn add polygon or add polygon. And then I will change its text to delimit. So now I will go to the handler of this button, double click this. Now I want to create a reference for gmap polygon. So where polygon is equal to new gmap polygon. So here the first argument is our points and then the second argument is name of this polygon. So we already get our points on our underscore points list. So we want to use that point here. So points and then name. Yes, I will set this to my area. You can set it to any name you want. And then using object initializer, I want to set some of its properties like stroke. On our gmap route also we have used stroke to create a new pen to draw our route. Similarly here also we will create a stroke to draw our polygon. So here also new pen, color, I will set some new color. So color dot dark green. Okay. And then I will set its width to 2. And then I also want to set fill property. So fill is equal to, it is useful to fill that particular area by using the color which I am going to pass here. So fill is equal to new, we want to create a brush, so I will create a solid brush. Here I want to pass a color, so color. That's all. We have created our polygon. We want to add this polygon to our overlay and then finally we want to add that overlay to our gmap. So I will create an overlay where polygons is equal to new gmap overlay and then I will set this ID to polygons. Then I want to add this polygon to this polygons overlay. So polygons dot add polygon. Okay, we are adding this polygon to this polygons overlay. Okay, now finally we want to add this polygons overlay to our gmap. So our gmap name is map dot overlays dot add polygons. Then with that, I will run this application by pressing Ctrl F5, and then I will put some of the points. So latitude, longitude, load, add point, another latitude, another longitude, add a point. If necessary, you can also load that point, also load that. So add a latitude, so add a longitude, add point, load. It is not necessary to load all the points. For this demo purpose I am loading, but you want to add this to your list points. Okay, 4 latitude, 4 longitude. So, load, add a point. So, now I want to connect all these points by using polygons. So delimit. Refresh this map. That's all. Now we have created polygon to mark particular area of land. See, if we didn't draw these polygons, means it will not look that much nice to delimit an area. So in order to delimit an area, always use polygons. Don't prefer marker, because polygon is always better than marker to display a portion of area. Okay, that's all for this session. On our next session, we are going to see how to remove overlay from our map. Till then, thank you and goodbye.